Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we're going to be looking at data validation. So what I've got in this spreadsheet so far is I've got some information within these cells. That information is being linked from this database that we've got here. So I've got names, we've got date of birth, address, occupation, salaries, all completely randomly made up. And what we're doing is we're summarizing that information onto this front tab. So at the moment, we've got formulas in each cell, which is linking back to the other tab, and we can see we've got the name of the guy up there. So, for example, if I wanted to change that, I can literally type in the other person's name and the information changes. But what we're going to be doing is looking at data validation, and data validation will enable you to make a list rather than typing the individual's name in each time. So the way we want to do that is if we go to data within the ribbon, and if we click on this little icon here, so we've got data validation, so click on that, and what we want to do is this section we want to click list because we want this to be a list. And if we go to the source the source is basically the list of the guys that you want in there, so it could be anything. In this instance it's going to be the names of the individuals, so click OK. And now what we can see is we got this little arrow on this cell, so it's got all the guys' names in there, and we can literally just change that, and all the information updates. So it's pretty dynamic. And the formula that I've used within this table is just simple VLOOKUPs. I've got another video on that if you guys want to have a look and just familiarize yourself with it. But yeah, that's pretty much data validation made done fairly quickly and easily. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks a lot.